Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The first question is, which of the following became the first black president of South Africa? Nelson Mandela, George Washington, Jomo Kenyatta, none of the above. The correct answer is Nelson Mandela. Next question. The company that has acquired interest in different industries by taking over or merging with other companies is called collateral, coalition, conglomerate, none of the above. The correct answer is conglomerate. Next question. What are the official language of the United Nations? African, Chinese, English, French, German and Spanish. Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Arabic, Japanese, Chinese, English, French and German. Chinese, English, French, Hindi, Japanese and Spanish. The correct answer is Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Next question. Who was Walt Disney? The President of America during World War. The creator of cartoon films starring popular cartoon characters Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. The British physician known for his discovery of Addison's disease. None of the above. The correct answer is the creator of cartoon films starring popular cartoon characters Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. Next question. Of the various agencies related to the United Nations, the one that has the longest period is International Labour Organization, Universal Postal Union, World Health Organization, World Meteorological Organization. The correct answer is Universal Postal Union. Next question. Where were the 2002 Commonwealth Games were held? Canada, UK, Australia, Malaysia. The correct answer is UK. Next question. For purifying drinking water, alum is used for coagulation of mud particles, to kill bacteria, to remove salts, to remove gases. The correct answer is for coagulation of mud particles. Next question. The Olympic symbol, Summer Games, comprises 5 rings or circles linked together to represent the sporting friendship of all people, the 5 continents, both A and B, none of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. Next question. Shares with a fixed rate of dividend that entitle their holders to priority payment over those who hold ordinary shares of a company are called preference shares, bull, bear, shareholder. The correct answer is preference share. Next question. What is ornithology? Study of bones, study of birds, Study of smells? None of the above. The correct answer is study of birds. Next question. The increased use of groundwater for irrigation purpose has led to salinization, lowering of the water table, waterlogging, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Next question. The telescope is used for viewing distant objects, near objects, small objects, living cells. The correct answer is distant objects. Next question. When was the Treaty of Versailles signed? 1917, 1918, 1919, 1920. The correct answer is 1919. Next question. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Junko Tabei, Caroline Michelson, Valentina Tereshkova, none of the above. The correct answer is Junko Tabei. Next question. What did Robert Koch work on? Tuberculosis, cholera, malaria, diabetes. The correct answer is tuberculosis. These are today's questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.